1, 2, 3.
Buckle up before you go. Keep a left if you're gonna be slow. Watch out for hazards on the street. Keep the kids clipped in their safety seats. Safe ways to drive. So many safer ways to drive. Safe ways to drive. We all need safer ways to drive. Plan your drive before your trip. Take a break when your focus slips. Hang up that call to your best mate. Slow right down, don't leave it too late. Safe ways to drive. So many safer ways to drive. Safe ways to drive. We all need safer ways to drive. A safe Toyota's a wise decision, with safety sense and pre-collision. 5-star and cap feels just right. Lane assist and auto light. Adaptive cruise just sets the pace. It even checks your blind spot space. It may not rhyme, but honestly, they're some of the safest cars to drive. The kind you choose to stay alive. So many great cars and many safer ways to drive.
Drive safe from Ebbett Toyota.